Hi Vicky, I'm just going to show you how to log into your website. So after your URL, newsite.namelinks.com, you're just going to put /wp-admin. You're going to log in. The link and your username and credentials will be sent via email. Just going to quickly log in. So this is your WordPress dashboard. It will look a little bit different when you log in because your videos will be presented here. But on your left hand side you've got your posts, your media, your pages, comments, your rank math, your Elementor, your templates for Elementor, some appearances, your plugins, your users, your tools, your settings. So we're just going to quickly go down and do pages. Going to hover over pages, click on all pages. Then these are the pages that you've currently got on your website. This one here is drafted, as you can see there, and then contact name links, dedicated, domains, email hosting, latest news, and name links, and terms and conditions, and VPS and web hosting. And then web development is drafted. Okay, so you can see this is your front page because it's marked as your front page. To change your front page, you'll go down to settings and reading. That's where you can select an additional front page. So what we're going to do is we're just going to hover over it and click on edit with Elementor. I always like to right click and open it in a new tab. Wait for it to load. As you can see, there you go, it's loaded. So now this is Elementor. So this is your page. Here, this is your row. These are the widgets on the left hand side. So if you want to, literally, you can just drag and drop. If you wanted, for example, I'm just going to show you one thing that I know that we were chatting about in the WhatsApp. So we're going to scroll down to this section here. And to move it, this is your row here. So you click on these like little 6 dots. And you'll just roll and move it like that and place it there. There you go. To change the background, you click on the little dots, you click on style. There's a background. I've got an image there. If you want to change it, you can delete it. There you go. And if you want to change the background, you can do whatever you want with it, as you can see. This section here, this is what we call a widget from a Elementor WHMCS add-on that I've installed. So you click here. If you click on it, you see on the left hand side your settings here. So these settings are going to your client area, your billing, where people can buy domains. So please don't change this link. So as you can see, you can scroll down, you can change, these are just different listings. If you want to add an icon, you just click there and then select the icon. There you go, you can see the little icon has appeared there. It's entirely up to you. Scroll down. There you go. It's basically self-explanatory. There's a title there if you want to change the title color. There you go, you can see, just move it around. Do whatever you want. These packages here. Okay, this is where we've got this package here, this is 1 widget, 2 widget, 3 widget. Okay, so Vicky, the other day I showed you your link from when I showed you how to add a package, I showed you the link. Now at the end of that link was a number. Now that is what you call the package ID number. So there, you'll put the package ID there. You would put your website link in, so it's client.namelinks.com. That is your billing system. That's where everything is. It will get the title automatically from WHMCS, and it will get the price automatically. Your monthly type, you can make it whatever you want it to be. So you'll see underneath the price here, we'll change it to quarterly. It will change. It will change when you update. So we're just going to go to monthly. Okay. Header, that's where you would put your I've got it gold package, but it will overwrite it automatically. So if you change the header to advanced super hosting and you've got it as that ID here on your front end of your website, this section here will change to advanced super hosting automatically. Your pricing, you don't have to worry. There's your currency, That's just a default price, but it will be overwritten because it is pulling it from WHMCS. If you want to add it on sale, you'll just click there. As you can see, there's your, it changes sale. You got your features. Your features are this section here. Now, this will not be pulled from WHMCS. So if you change your package on WHMCS to a 15 gig SSD, you have to manually come and change it here and just click on it and change it like that. Okay, your footer. This now is the link, Vicky, that link that I sent you. You can see there it ends in 1. The link that I showed you how to get on WHMCS, that's the link you would click, you would put there. So when people will say click here, it will take them automatically and ask for a domain because they require a domain. If it doesn't ask for a domain, if the package doesn't require a domain, then the domain, it will just add it to cart automatically for you, for them. This is your ribbon show. That's if you want to say popular, and that depending on which. So you can say, well, we'll leave it for example. Then so those are your main features. And under style, you'll see there's your header. So we can change the header to be whatever we want. That's just to make it white, so it's different. Your pricing, you can change the pricing background, as you can see there. Your features, you can change the feature background to be whatever you want. Your footer, you can do the same thing with your footer. And then your ribbon, you can make it blue. There you go, purple. So, and then you can change the distance depending on how I would normally keep that as default, so that because if your package gets quite long, then the ribbon goes over the package, and you can play around with it. That's basically how you're going to edit it. Here you'll just click on the image. There you go, you can select an image. And we'll just, for argument's sake, we'll just put this one in here. See, there you go. This is just a normal HTML link. These are just colors that you can change, play around with the colors. Border, there you go, the border, we can make that black. So you can make one black, one orange, black, orange, black, orange. These are your, have any questions? So how does the hosting work? So there it is there, there's your title, there's your description. You can make this a bit bigger if need be, so you can see it, and then, yeah, it's like a little Word document. There you go. Same thing down here, just a title and an image. You go under style, it's very basic. If you'd like to add anything else, you'll scroll to the bottom and then you'll see here. So you got, there's your different rows. So you can add, we'll just add a 3 column in. There's your 3 column. You can click here, click there, it will take you here, and then you can add whatever you want in. Countdown, Facebook page. I would advise against that because that's going to pull quite a bit of loading time. Yeah, and that's basically it. Here's some other features that you've got. If you want to load a template, you'll click here. Here's all the different templates. You're possibly going to have to create an Elementor account, but it's free, so just create it, then you'll be able to import this. You are using my Pro license, so it's not going to be a problem. This here comes with one of the essential add-ons. I don't even use that myself. Okay, that's how you log in and edit the front page.